Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can sign in into the mobile banking account of yours in Liberty Bank. Now first of all, you need to open the mobile banking application of Liberty Bank. Once you install the application, you open the app, tap open the application. Now for you to get logged in into the mobile banking, you need to type in your username, then you need to type in your password. Once you have provided both the details, you click on login, and with this you will be easily logged in into the mobile banking account of yours in Liberty Bank. This is how you can easily sign in through your banking account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.